Amidst the ongoing allegations brawl between former FTX spokesperson Coinone Leary and Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, Binance was focusing on a deal to acquire Korea's top crypto exchange, Gopax. The world's largest crypto exchange has had its eye on the Korean markets for a while. A deal with Gopax is the breakthrough that the leading exchange was anticipating. Hello, your one-stop solution for everything in crypto. Gopax is one of the top 5 leading crypto exchanges in South Korea, which includes Upbit, Bitsum, Coinone, Corbit, and Gopax. The exchange reportedly saw success locally in its early days, but later in 2022 had a liquidity crunch after the FTX bankruptcy, as investors faced a crisis of confidence. Korea's law prohibiting non-Koreans from trading crypto provided by local entities has limited the exchange services available to non-residents. However, Dissenter recently reported that Binance had completed Gopax's due diligence, despite facing considerable challenges in establishing itself in an East Asian country. If successful, this acquisition will serve as an essential stepping stone for Binance to expand into East Asia and revolutionize the regional cryptocurrency market. The acquisition was to announce on Christmas, but was rescheduled pending the stake valuation. The exchange will buy a 41.2% stake in the exchange from the exchange's largest shareholder, its CEO, Lee Junheng. Binance's most significant obstacle in entering the Korean market was strict regulatory requirements by its financial authorities. Acquiring the Korean exchange is a workaround with a high chance of success. The exchange reportedly used similar tactics to enter the United States market by establishing Binance Years for the country's citizens. Upbit Exchange dominates the Korean crypto market. Its entry into the market will prove a worthy rival, noting its substantial capital. Upbit currently dominates 80% of the entire market, while Gopax maintains a meager 0.1%. The acquisition is not the first attempt to enter the Korean market. The exchange had established Binance Korea earlier and acquired a stake in the Sakura cryptocurrency exchange. The two exchanges are yet to release official statements on the acquisition. If the acquisition is complete, the leading exchange will have higher prospects of entering the local market in East Asia. The acquisition will also widen the exposure of the local market to foreign investments. Upbit will have a worthy rival who might as well beat them with time. The exchange has substantial capital and over 350 listed cryptocurrencies, outshining Upbit, which has half as much. These two factors provide investors the incentive to jump ship. Analysts suggest that Binance's entry into the country will profoundly impact regulation. DAXA will ease listing standards as the exchange expands its trading stocks, and other exchanges might try to cover more stocks to keep up with the competition. Binance participation will resurface the derivative discussion. Exchanges in the country operate mainly on spot trading. Binance, on the other hand, provides a diverse portfolio of investments, such as futures. According to Korean law, transferring derivatives across the exchanges is challenging, said Kwon Oh-hoon, a partner attorney at Cha and Kwon law firm. Binance entry into the Korean markets seems like a good investment. It is, however, worth noting that they will still have to overcome numerous hurdles by authorities to set up shop. Since the collapse of FTX, Binance has charted how exchanges should operate. By leveraging this strength, the exchange has significant opportunities in the future. Binance has a growing web of investments globally, bringing the question of the impact it would have if an FTX-like catastrophe occurred. Continuing last year's word brawl between Binance CEO and FTX spokesperson Coinone Leary, Binance also witnessed a confidence issue within its investors. And following a possible lawsuit by the US government over money laundering issues was a final nail in the coffin. The whole cryptocurrency market is in shambles following arguably the biggest financial fraud in history by discredited FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried. Despite all the controversies, Binance still stands strong in the crypto market and is working on expanding its global reach even further. With this acquisition of Gopax, Binance can tap into a new region that has not yet been fully explored by any major cryptocurrency exchanges, which could prove to be very beneficial for them in terms of growth and profits. This acquisition also shows that Binance is here to stay and remains one of the most significant players in the global crypto trading landscape. The future looks bright for Binance as they look to expand into new markets and regions with the help of its acquisitions. However, regulatory issues still exist and must be addressed before any progress can be made. The acquisition of Gopax is a major step in that direction, and it will be interesting to see how Binance will progress in the Korean market and beyond. We have to wait and watch if the acquisition proves to be successful for both parties involved, or if it turns out to be a costly mistake. Only time will tell. Let us know in the comments what you think will happen with Binance, and is the Gopax acquisition a good step or not? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.